I'll show you which programs to apply for, and here's why. Pinterest demographics show that 70% on it are women, and that's why we need this kind of content. I made this and this and this just by using AI and Canva. Because on Pinterest, there's no camera, there's no follower count to chase. You make pins that quietly send people to products. And here's the number that matters most. Around 90% of Pinterest users use the platform to plan purchases. Home decor, fashion, beauty. Just think about that. These aren't people scrolling to kill time. They're people in buying mode. They come to Pinterest already planning to spend money. They're looking for the next thing to buy. That's why Pinterest converts so well for affiliate marketing. Pinterest isn't really social media, it's a search engine, and that changes everything. On TikTok, your video lives for 48 hours and then dies. On Pinterest, a pin you make today can still be getting you clicks 2 years from now. Every pin you create is a little asset that keeps working. Now, let me show you what works and which programs you can choose. Fashion is perfect for Pinterest because users are literally pinning outfit inspiration all day. You're showing up exactly where they're already dreaming about clothes. 3 programs worth knowing about. First one is Shein. They pay 10 to 20% commission per sale, and they've got 30-day cookie window. That cookie matters. It means if someone clicks your pin and buys anytime in the next 30 days, you still get paid. You can join through networks like Awin and share a sale. Second one is Pretty Little Thing. Around 10 commission per sale through Awin, also with a 30-day cookie. They update their product feeds regularly and give you ready-made banners and exclusive discount codes, which makes creating pins way easier. Third, Revolve. This one's 5% commission, which sounds lower, but they stock over 500 designer brands like Lewis and Cotton Citizen, and the order values are much higher. A smaller percentage of a $300 order beats a bigger percentage of a $20 one. Plus, they give affiliates a high-res catalog, which is gold for making beautiful pins. So what's the play here? You create outfit boards, fall capsule wardrobe, or date night outfits under $50. Pin the pieces, link them, disclose its affiliate, and it's done. Beauty and skincare, well, beauty might be the single best niche on this list, and there's a specific reason why. Beauty is one of the most profitable affiliate categories overall. Around 28% of all affiliate marketers promote beauty brands, and the global beauty industry is heading toward $129 billion by 2028. But here's the real advantage. Beauty products run out. Someone buys a foundation or a serum or a set of extensions, and a few weeks later, they need more. That means repeat purchases, and with the right programs, recurring commissions. You're not earning once, you're earning again and again from the same customer. 3 programs for this. First one is Benefit Cosmetics. It is free to join, and they're actively looking for beauty creators, bloggers, and influencers. A trusted, recognizable brand that converts because people already know about it. Second one is Luxy Hair. Premium clip-in hair extensions, the kind of celebrity use. They've got this ambassador program, and this is what they say here. But honestly, this is made for Pinterest. Before and after hair transformations are some of the most pinned, most clicked content on the entire platform. It's really good. The third one is Black Opal, skincare and color cosmetics designed specifically for women of color. They offer free shipping over $35 and affiliate-only deals. This one's important because it serves an audience that's often underserved, and that loyalty converts. For this niche, for beauty, think tutorials and routines. Skincare routine for dry skin, or easy 5-minute makeup. Show the products, link them, and let the pins compound. Now here's the one that nobody talks about, and it's brilliant because you're gonna be using the tool anyway. Of course, it's Canva, the design tool you'll use to make your pins, and here's why it's genius. To do Pinterest affiliate marketing, you need to make attractive pins, right? Canva is how most people make them. So you become living proof the product works. Your own pins are the advertisement. And the Canva affiliate program pays well for a digital tool. Through the Impact Network, you earn around $36 for each annual Pro subscription, or 80% commission on the first 2 months of a monthly plan. There's a 30-day cookie and a low $10 payout threshold, so you can cash out fast. But why does this convert on Pinterest? Because your audience, People making pins, planners, or small business owners, creators, they all need design tools. You make a pin like how I design my Pinterest pins, you link Canva, and you're recommending something you genuinely use. There's a lot of people making money like this with Canva. Digital tools like this pay more than physical products, and people who upgrade, they tend to stay, or they just forget about it. That's why I'd add at least one tool like Canva to your mix alongside the fashion and beauty programs. And this is all you need. So underrated platform, so much traffic. So here's the simple system here. First of all, make a free Pinterest business account. You need this for analytics, and it's required to do this properly. Number 2, pick one niche to start. Fashion or beauty or design tools. Don't do all 3 at once. Go deep on one and then scale. Then just join the affiliate programs in that niche. Most run through networks like Awin, Share a Sale, or Impact. It's free to join. And then just make pins in Canva. Clean, vertical, eye-catching. Add your link, and that's it. Now, 2 rules that are critical here. You have to listen to this. It'll get you flagged if you don't disclose your links. Never use shortened links like, bit.ly or something like that. Pinterest treats that as a spam. Also, you should add ad or affiliate to every pin description. It's an FTC requirement, and Pinterest removes pins that don't have it. And of course, post consistently and track what works in your analytics. It is gonna take time. It is gonna, you have to be patient with it, but make multiple pins for the same product, different images, different headlines, all linking to the same place. The more you do, the more chance you have to get discovered. Now let's go to the honest part, because I won't sell you a fantasy or a course. Most beginners earn between $50 to $300 a month in their first 6 months. It's not life-changing. You're not gonna be a millionaire. You will usually see your first commissions within 60 to 90 days. So it's not days, it's months. Established accounts in good niches reach $1,000 to $3,000 a month. The ones promoting digital tools like Canva tend to earn at a higher end because the commissions are bigger. But the number one reason that people fail, well, it's because they quit too early. Pins take months to gain traction in search. The people who win are the ones who keep pinning when nothing's happening yet, because that's when library is quietly building. And you've got many tools like Pinterest Trends to help you out. Treat this as a side income that compounds, not an overnight win. Give it like 1 year and it can become genuinely meaningful. So that's the whole system. A shopping-ready audience, products that fit them, and pins that earn for years. Just pick your niche, make your pins stay consistent. The platform rewards patience more than almost anything else online. And it's a good one, and it has a lot of traffic.